Here's what you'll need to make an ultra light lemon Japanese sponge cake. Some eggs, a lemon, if you don't want it lemon flavoured, just get some vanilla extract and leave the lemon out. Some butter, caster sugar, corn flour, plain flour and some milk. First thing we're going to do is get the zest and the juice from the lemon. Separate your egg yolks from your egg whites. These ingredients are for a loaf tin, so if you're using a bigger tin, obviously adjust your ingredients accordingly. When you've separated 3 egg yolks, then you're just going to put a normal egg into your egg yolks. Into another bowl, you're going to melt your butter in a bain-marie, which is a posh way of saying a pan of boiling water, or as I've done, in the microwave. And then in with your milk and just give them a mix together with your melted butter and milk. And then measure out your flour. We're just going to sieve that in. Then it's in with your lemon juice. And get these mixed together till they're a nice creamy consistency. When it's nice and creamy, it's time to go in with your egg yolk concoction and get those mixed in. With your egg yolks mixed, it's time to get onto your egg whites and give them a good whisk. When you've whisked your egg whites into a nice frothy concoction, it's time to go in with your sugar and then finish off whisking them until they form nice stiff peaks. When you've done it, so it's something like that, it's good to go. With your egg whites mixed, it's time to go in with your egg mixture. Then we're just going to get them all folded together. It doesn't have to be 100% creamy. If you've still got some of the white bits in there, all the better. With your mixture done, time to get on with your loaf tin or whatever you're using. And you're just going to cut yourself a piece of greaseproof paper to the bottom of your tin, and before that you're just going to go around your tin with some butter and just get it lined with butter basically. So into your greased up tin with your piece of tin-proof paper, and then onto there I like to sprinkle some of your lemon zest, and then it's in with the batter. Your batter in your tin, then you're going to put it onto a baking tray, into which you're going to put some boiling water, and then this is going into a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade for around 60 minutes until it's nicely browned off. When it's had an hour or so in the oven, I'm to just go around the edges with a knife, and I'm going to sprinkle on the top of mine with a few lemon zest crumbs. There you go. All that's left is to cut yourself a slice.